Introduction to Classical Tibetan, Lesson 4-3, the Imperative Mood. Last week we learned that verbs can be written in different forms to indicate whether they are in present, past, or future tense, as well as the imperative mood. The imperative mood is used when giving a command. The most common way of forming the imperative mood is by adding one of the imperative particles to the verb, chik, jik, or shik. As we've seen with other particles, these particles change their spelling depending on the suffix of the preceding syllable. After g, d, and ba, the spelling is cha kiku chiga chik. After ng, n, m, a, r, l, or no suffix, the spelling is sha kiku shiga shik. And after sa, the spelling is sha kiku shiga shik. The imperative can also be indicated without these particles by just writing the imperative form of the verb alone. For example, de means sit, as does de chik. Occasionally, you'll see the particle dang to indicate the imperative mood, but this is more common in spoken Tibetan than it is in classical Tibetan. You'll frequently encounter the imperative mood in the context of wishes and aspirations in classical texts. Aspirations are usually made by adding gyurchik or shok to the main verb of a sentence. These auxiliary particles are attached to the infinitive form of the main verb with par or bar. We'll go over this later, but par and bar are formed when you have a pa or a ba followed by a la particle. You don't need to worry about this at the moment. For now, just learn this construction. X plus par or bar followed by gyurchik or shok is translated as may X happen, or let there be X. So we can say, for example, Sonam pelwar shok. Sonam means merit. Pel means increase. Shok is connected to pelwa by the la particle, which becomes pelwar shok. So this means, may the merit increase. We could also say something like Tashi shok. Tashi can be translated as auspiciousness here, so this reads simply, may there be auspiciousness. Look over the examples on pages 51 and 52 of your textbook and make sure that all of this is clear. If not, feel free to ask questions on our discussion board.